Hello, and welcome to the new simplified UI for Pave. This change was set to make the navigation in Pave, as the name entails, more simplified. As you can see on the left-hand side of this page, the sidebar navigation is no longer present on load. We now actually hide it with this Pave button on the top left here. So you can click on this button and it will open up the settings that we typically had on the sidebar navigation here. All of it besides the user settings, those are actually found in a different location now. As you can see here, the Pave chat as well as the Pave preview for your project are a little bit larger due to having that more real estate by hiding the sidebar navigation. In addition to that, we've also modified the location slightly of some of the other options that you have within your Pave project when you're building. As you can see, the test role is still here. It's just been moved down slightly. We have the icon for your project as well as the name for your project are both found here. As you can see, it's been moved down a little bit as well. This was pushed down a little bit due to us adding this new section here, where, as you can see right now, we are in the build section. But now if we go to the manage section, we can actually see all of the options that we had previously in the sidebar navigation found in one central location. So you have the access to navigate to different projects. You have the access to view your table records and your application relationships. You also have the ability to look at your notifications and access all of them, as well as accessing the users who have access to your application, all of which are found directly within this manage section. Now I'm going to go back to the build section and show off a little bit more of what has been changed. Here we have the credit counter, which previously was in the sidebar navigation. It is now found right next to the publish button. And then we have the share button next to the publish button, which would allow for you to share the application with another user. This is right next to another set of actions. These actions were previously found on the top bar here, but we've added them to this menu just to remove some of the clutter. As you can see, we have the ability to restore the chat, to clear the chat, refresh the previews as the build preview, as well as open a new tab. This will open the most recent published version of your application into a new window. I haven't yet published this app, so we don't actually have the view. But now we can also go to the settings. The settings is going to be slightly different, as we have some things that you're able to allow for Pave to interact with, which is the debug, so that if you run into an issue, it will start debugging once you kind of get stuck. Also, the ability to allow it to take screenshots, as the screenshots will allow for Pave to have a better understanding of what issues you're running into. Last but not least, we have the user icon. So here you can see I have my name and my work email. By clicking on this, we can actually see the name of my name, as well as the realm that I'm found in, as in addition to the other settings that were found in the sidebar navigation previously, all of which are now found in this central location here. So you can change the theme. Like right now I'm in the dark theme. I can go to the light theme if I wanted to, but I'll go back to the dark. I can submit a feedback or access our help documentation, Or if I would like to sign out, I can also sign out from here. All of which is found within this new simplified UI that we have. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or feel free to also open a feedback. Either way, we'll be able to answer those questions for you. I hope you enjoy this new simplified UI and go try it for yourself and let us know. Have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching.